Alright, you guys, let's go over number 2. You can see I have the domain here already written out in the interval notation. The important thing to remember here is the square bracket. I know a lot of you got that wrong on your last one. The square bracket means it can be -5. So this can be -5 because if I put -5 under the radical, that gives me 0. And you can take the square root of 0. You just get 0 back. But it cannot be less than -5 because this is going to make this a negative number, which it cannot be. So that's the smallest number it can be, comma, all the way up to -2. And it cannot be -2, hence the round parenthesis, because if I put -2 on the denominator, that gives me 0, and you cannot divide by 0. But you can have it less than or greater than -2 if it's on the denominator. So we're going to union that with it cannot be -2 all the way to positive infinity. And you can see that, you can view that. I did a graph here, let me pull it up. Okay, here's a graph of the equation. As you can see, it does not go below -5, it stops, but it can be -5. And then at -2, right here, there's a vertical asymptote, an infinite discontinuity here, since this cannot be 0 under the radical.